Hey guys, it's G. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we are going to be doing a bit of a different video. I'm here with my little bro, not so little, and today this one is going to be controlling my whole day for 24 hours, and not gonna lie, I'm really not looking forward to it. So if you want to know what he makes me do for the rest of the day, then just carry on watching. So you are going to be controlling what I have for my breakfast this morning. What am I going to have for breakfast?
You're going to have pancakes with strawberries and chocolate sauce.
Oh, lovely. So this is what I've got for breakfast. Pancakes, strawberries and chocolate sauce. Not going to lie, it looks pretty good to me. Brody's going to be putting my chocolate sauce on for me. Wow. Instagrammable. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I don't think I'm ready for that. Oh no.
You love a sugar rush?
Oh no.
You're going to go sleep tonight?
Too chocolatey.
That's gorgeous.
It's disgusting. Thanks. You can if you want. So, Brody is now going to pick my outfit for today, and what are you thinking?
I think I want you to wear all black.
Love that. Very me, because you know I always wear black, and you pick. What do you think I should wear? That's including a belt.
This one.
Okay, so black pants with a black top.
And it's spelled.
You want me to wear my white belt, not my seat belt? Really? Oh, he's designer. Fancy. Thanks, mate. Love that. Off we go.
Let's go to
The shops. He's been counting down because he wants to spend my money. We're going out in 2 hours because you want to spend my money. Crying.
I can't even do Orange Justice, so I don't know what I'm doing.
Orange Justice. Oh, the Fortnite move. Bye.
You still on my...
Oh, sorry. Oh, filming disaster. Sorry. Right, so this is the outfit that my brother picked. So he picked my black top with my black pants. It's basically a cord, but he wanted me to basically wear all black. So I'm wearing my black pants, black cord. He's actually picked my black, like off-white belt. And then for shoes, he actually picked my feelers. Now, look at that. I actually battered myself the other day in the shower, so... love that for me. He actually ended up picking my black feelers, which I was quite surprised about because I wouldn't normally wear trainers. I'd probably wear like black heeled boots, but this is what we're going with today. Feel like I'm losing my voice. Love that. Yeah, that is my outfit of the day, and it's all chosen by my brother. I have my outfit on. This is what you chose, isn't it? So you wanted me to be in all black. Oh, my feelers on. Yeah, I've got my black, so Brody wanted me to wear my feelers. I wouldn't normally wear black feelers with this. I won't normally wear my heel boots. So you decided the whole outfit. And then I've got my white bag, which you didn't decide.
No.
What? No.
Yeah, this one.
Wow.
The Pikachu one.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
You can't hardly.
Are you sure? I can't even fit anything in. I can't even fit my bank card. That's not going to get me far, is it?
Wait. Oh my god.
My bank card is not going to fit in that. Oh my god, this is a disaster.
Wait, Anna, what's that?
Wait, I'd have to.
That into this.
And you want me to go out today? Love that. You see me crying on Instagram because my bank cards been nicked. Love that for me. So we have tried to stuff it in Pikachu here, but the chance of my bank card being nicked today is pretty high, so love that for me. And let's get this thing on me.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
It's a bit of a vibe, isn't it? Good job I went for a black outfit.
It does match,
At least
to be
bring
fair.
out a bit of sense. Right, so is this better?
Yeah.
Is this a good enough outfit?
Yes. Very good.
So, where do I go today?
I want to go to Smith's.
Let's do that.
Good job, you got your bank card.
Oh.
Bye.
Love trust issues. Bye. See ya. Bye. Alright, so we are here at Smith's, ready for a shopping spree with my brother. Don't really want to be spending my money, but it's his day, so he controls spending my dosh. Let's go. Oh, we're 5 seconds in. It's up to you what you get. You. Cute. That's cool.
Maybe everybody could buy that and then it matches your handbag.
No, but that doesn't count as
His friends.
That was like a set.
This is my newest collection.
Don't do that.
This is Prince. At these in them.
You did.
How much are they now?
Expensive. You used to spend a fortune.
Like £10.
So, I brought a fart machine with me, and every time you walk past someone, you have to press this.
Oh no. Oh no. I don't want to do that.
So I've got these 3 Rankin ones.
Who's paying for those? Get your bank card out, G. Sorry.
Got what you wanted. Where do you want to go now?
Can we go to Greg's for lunch?
Okie dokie, let's go Greg's. Alright, so we're at Greg's, ready to get our dinner. Brody wants his dinner and he's now going to control what I'm having to eat and drink, so let's go.
So I'm going to get a Vimta, and you're going to get a strawberry some mini sugar dough. So I'm going to order Georgia. Here's an onion pasta that's going to give a smelly breath, and I'm going to have a vegan sausage roll. Vegan sausage roll.
I'm going to stink after this. Alright, so I am back home now, and you know what? That wasn't as bad as I thought. You didn't spend too much of my money, which, thank the Lord, and I'm hoping that I can just edit, and I'm not gonna lie, I feel like he's just gonna leave me alone now. Normally when we come home, he'll just go on his Xbox, so hopefully I'm gonna have a bit of peace and quiet, and I can get working and get editing this video, so fingers crossed. That's me done for the rest of the day, but who knows. Right, bros, so it's nearly tea time, and what are we going to be doing for tea? Because obviously you're controlling my day, and it's up to you what we're having for tea. Oh.
Let's go to the pub.
Right, let's go to the pub then. Yeah. Food at.
And that's a good job you're paying, G, with that deal.
We'll have to eat.
Food's on me tonight, innit, Mum? Alright, so my food is here, and Brody decided what I was having. I had no idea, and he decided that I was going to go for similar to what he's got. We've both got a slush, which I'm not going to lie, I'm very happy about. Yes, cheers. We have the same slush, and he ordered me a corn hot dog, sweet corn, and then he picked mash, which, God, you know me so well. Mash is my fave. And then what have you got, Brode?
I got a corn hot dog.
Yep.
A sweet corn.
Yep.
Tomato ketchup.
Oh, yeah.
And some chips. proud of you today. Come and play on the Xbox with me.
Okay. So that was our little game of, what was it? Rocket Me. That was fun. I'm really bad at it, I'm rubbish. So what is the last task of today?
So my last part of controlling your day is, I'm going to watch Britain's Got Talent in your room.
Okie dokie. Yeah. Do you find that funny? Really? I think it's rubbish. Right, so we are both in my comfy bed. Yeah. You love this bed, don't you? And we've got Britain's Got Talent on, and we are going to end the night here. So
don't forget to like and subscribe.
So now we're going to sit in bed and watch Britain's Got Talent together. But I hope you enjoyed this vid, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.